Hello everyone, this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to make sure we create our Canva account. So you just come here to open a new tab and then you type Canva, create new account, and you hit enter. Then you see here the first thing that shows is sign up to Canva, and you go there. Then you continue with Google. That is a very simple option you can choose. Then you continue with your Google account. Continue with your Google account, and then in some few seconds you are signed up for Canva. You're going to answer some few questions, whether it's for personal projects, work and business, teaching, goals, or non-profit. You can choose personal projects. You can try Canva Pro for free. You can also go for the business account, but you can try for 30 days. So I can urge you all to try for 30 days. You go ahead. If you don't want to make the payment now and all that later, you already have a card, what you can do is to go back and then just go with the free account. Okay, so just go back and then you skip. You can just go next, and then hooray, you have your Canva account created.